Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of ID Tips. I'm back here with a new video. First of all, I would like to thank you all. We have reached 100 subscribers. I know this is the very first beginning step. So let's move on. So I'm back here with new iPhone pranks. So let us begin with this prank. So this is the prank you can do it on any phone. So let us see. So what's this? This can make your dog hide your dog. So this is very simple. Just go to notification here and just go down. Let me show you again. Go here, go down, just have your hand here, thumb here, and after that just press the home button, and after that just swipe, and after that just click. So you can see the dog will go away, and see, it looks very cool. It will again come back if you go here. So let me again show you. Click here, press the home button, now swipe here, and after that click, again click. You can see this gives the phone very neat look, and it's look like the apps have gone away, but the apps are there only, and now you can see the apps will remove. So let me again show you. Place your thumb here, press the home button, just move back, and again, sorry, it takes 2 or 3 times to perfect it. Let me again. So you can see, now click here, and now you can see the magic. I will show you another trick with which your phone will look more great. We have got 100 subscribers, so let me show you another video. So what you have to do is first of all go to settings, then go to general, accessibility, and after that just go to reduce motion and turn on the reduce motion, and after that you are ready to go. So what you need to do is just take the control center up, press the home button, and after that take the control center up again. So again, let me show you. Home, and now you can see you can remove the labels of it. So now let me show you how you can work with this. Take them here, take them here, take them down, take them down, and now you can see it will give a perfect look to your phone. You can do with as many apps as possible. Now you can see it is giving a good look, the phone and music folder. So again, let's do for these 4. What you need to do is just press home and again take the up. Now you can see it takes time, but it looks awesome. It only comes back when you perform this action twice, so it will come back. So let me again show you. Let's do it for weather. Now you can see, let us do again, perform it. Just take it here, press the home button and swipe it up. Now you can see. Now you can see it will take the again down. So now you can see how great the phone looks. You can see how great look it can give it to your phone. So with this step, oh sorry, you have to perform it twice. Now you can see how great the phone is looking. Now you can see how nice look it gives to your phone. For giving that back, if you want these things back, first of all take this back, and if you want these things back, so what you need to do is, sorry, now you will have to just take the apps here again. Now they will come back. After some time they will come back. You can restart your phone and your phone will be normal again. You can just have this looks awesome. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos just subscribe to our channel. This is Inder signing off, and again I want to thank you all for giving us 100 subscribers. This is Inder signing off.